This artificial intelligent robot over here has been running my LinkedIn ads for me. So I don't need to check up on them. I don't need to constantly rerun and cancel and create new ads. This robot automatically optimizes my ads and runs them for me. And I've been able to get tons of traffic to my affiliate program, which I'm going to show you right now, which is also something brand new that I've not mentioned on my channel before. This affiliate program will allow you to earn up to 15% of monthly revenue for 2 years. And this affiliate program will earn you 20% revenue share on every new customer that you refer. And with this affiliate program, you're going to earn 40% of subscription for up to 2 years. That averages to $230 a month for 2 years, is over $5,500 from this affiliate program, which is complete passive income and passive cash flow, simply because this is a membership-based affiliate product. This affiliate product over here will allow you to earn 10% on customers for the first 12 months. This affiliate program will pay you up to 30% for recurring commissions on every sale. I personally like to go and target the affiliate programs that have passive income and recurring commissions, because that brings in recurring cash flow. If you talk to any businessman, any investor, any entrepreneur, you will hear that cash flow in the business is king. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today, combining all of these affiliate programs with this artificial intelligent tool over here that's automatically going to run your LinkedIn ads. So it's super important that you watch this entire video with me, because I'm going to be showing you every single step that you need to take, and you might miss some important information that I may mention throughout this video. I'm also going to show you all of my tips and tricks that I've used with the strategy to make this robot automatically run all of my LinkedIn ads, which I've plugged in all of my affiliate products over here into this tool, which then runs LinkedIn ads, which gets me tons of traffic to all of my affiliate offers. And from what I've noticed, no one is running any LinkedIn ads of any of these affiliate products at all, which makes this really easy for you because there's going to be no competition whatsoever. So if you're watching this video right now, this is the perfect time to capitalize on this kind of strategy before maybe this video gets too many views on YouTube and then everybody tries this. I don't know, but if you're watching this early, this is the perfect time to get into this. Quickly before we get started, I just want to mention one more thing. For those of you that have been watching my YouTube channel for some time now, you would have noticed that I've moved a lot of my time into Forex trading. Now, I've just recently revived my second YouTube channel, which I was posting back about a year ago already. I'm now posting every single day on this channel as of yesterday. I'm going to be documenting my entire Forex trading journey on this YouTube channel with live trades, all my strategies, how I read the markets, how I apply my risk management, how I trade in the footsteps of the banks. Lots of valuable and handy information, especially to have in today's time and world. So over here, I posted my first video yesterday. I posted an entire 44-minute webinar going through my exact step-by-step process on how I read the charts and how I capitalize on trades and risk management, entry criteria. It really goes through everything you need if you're a newbie trader and want to start trading and become consistent and profitable. So this channel will be the first link in the description. You can go and click on there, subscribe to this channel so you can get all my notifications when I upload the latest video of my trading videos. But with that being said, let's get straight into this video. So without further ado, you're going to come over to this website over here called Partnerstack.com. This is a website where most businesses, mostly software businesses, as you can see, software as a service, which is a very high skilled and highly paid industry, puts all of their software programs into one simple database, and we can go and have a look through that database and go and choose from any affiliate program, any of these businesses that we want to go and promote, and that company will pay us for promoting their products and services. So this honestly is an all-in-one marketplace or partner program in one simple website with thousands of products where thousands of dollars of potential affiliate commissions are just waiting to be collected by you. So in a nutshell, businesses that have newly invented and innovated software will come over to this website, partner up with them, list their software for people like you and me that want to go and promote their software to help them blow up their software, get more sales and more customers to their product, and at the same time, they're rewarding us commissions for every sale or referral that we get to their specific software or product. So over here, if you come over to our partner program on the top right of the menu, there are 3 types of partners that you can become. You can become a solutions partner where you can register deals, implement Partnerstack and receive a commission on sales. You can become a referral partner, so submit leads and get rewarded when they become Partnerstack customers. Or you can become an affiliate partner where you'll earn rewards by driving traffic to Partnerstack through your unique trackable affiliate link. So you can have a look at all the benefits of each and every program over here. Referral partners, so you will submit leads directly directly into Partnerstack, gain visibility in the progress of each deal, earn 15% commission on your referrals for the first year with Partnerstack. So this specific affiliate program is paying that passive cash flow. This specific program over here, also 15%, which is the affiliate partners. And this is probably the most simple one to join. Or you've got the solutions partners over here. So you can register and manage the Partnerstack deal cycle to close with the dedicated channel partner manager. You can be involved in the implementation and onboarding process. You can manage clients' Partnerstack program and earn a competitive commission on your client's accounts as well. Your next step is going to be signing up as an affiliate partner. So you'll see if I click on this website over here, it's going to pop up with a pop down. I've already partnered with this website and submitted my application and have my account with this website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and log in with my account on the top right over here. Once you're on your dashboard, click on Marketplace on the top middle over here on your menu bar, and you can go and choose from multiple categories. For example, social media companies, human resources, sales, marketing, accounting, development, productivity. There's really anything that you can go and choose from. So what I would go and do is I would go and open up a notepad, just like this, click on notepad, and you can go and enter all of the company deals that pay you recurring passive income. I don't like to choose the ones that pay a once-off commission fee because I don't see the point in promoting a company that pays you once off when you can promote another company that will pay you every month for the next 2 to 3 years. That is just far more worth it. So over here, we've got bookjane.inc. Bookjane Inc. We can take notes of that one. We've got over here Vendesta, which is an end-to-end commerce platform for local experts who sell, build, fulfill, and deliver digital solutions to small and medium businesses. So this is obviously a business or website very similar to Shopify, where you can create your own e-commerce stores. And over here, you will get 40% of the subscription for up to 2 years, which is really good income. So I'm going to make notes of them. Vendasta. Over here, we've got Desktop Ready, which is an Azure-based comprehensive virtual desktop solution that provides automation and services to deliver secure, flexible, and fully compliant modern workspaces with 24/7 support for MSPs. You will earn 10% on customers for the first 12 months. Commission rate's not really that good. 10% isn't that much. These are examples over here of companies that are only paying once-off commissions. So for example, $50 on all paid signups, $200 for each new subscription. There's no monthly passive income, meaning there's going to be no cash flow for any person that you refer to this company. So that's not what we're looking for. We ideally want to look for revenue share for up to a couple of years. So for example, this one over here, Comma Chat, which helps you quickly add in app messages and voice video calling to mobile apps and websites. Their SDKs and UI kits and widgets help developers of any skill set launch secure feature-rich chat. Okay, I don't know what that is about, but they are paying 20% revenue share for up to 1 year, which is pretty good. But let's, for the purpose of this video, we can stick to these two over here, Bookjane Inc. and Vendasta. This is one of the affiliate programs that I'm promoting through Partnerstack at the moment called Instapage, which is an entire landing page builder where you can collect emails, convert sales or convert clicks into sales, and overall just increase your conversion rates as an affiliate marketer. And this is an excellent tool I've been promoting. You'll see if I come over to the pricing tab, people can get billed monthly or annually, and they're paying 40% every month recurring commissions, which is a really good rate. I've also started to promote some other software programs through Partnerstacks as well, such as these three over here. The only one that I've really had success with is Instapage, which I've had over 2 referrals and over $1,000 in passive income referrals already over the last couple of months. These other pages over here are mostly traffic generators and landing page builders as well, as that's my niche, that's what I know, and that's what I like to promote. And you'll see over here, if I go and search Instapage, there are already a couple of ads running. This is because this is becoming quite a popular affiliate program that people are starting to promote. So what I recommend is when choosing your affiliate program, go and search the name of this business. So for example, Vendasta, and go and have a look if there's any ads running on the specific keyword. So here you can see for Vendasta, there's no ads running on this keyword. So that is where we can go and use this artificial intelligence tool to go and run LinkedIn ads. Or if you want to, you can also go and let it run Google ads for you so that you rank first for your affiliate link on the top of Google page, where you're going to get hundreds of clicks on the specific product because no one else is running ads on this. So this artificial intelligent robot tool that I'm talking about is called writesonic.com. This is an AI-powered content creator to boost your website's SEO and generate more traffic to your websites or your affiliate links. This is an AI writing tool that generates high-quality articles, blog posts, landing pages, Google ads, Facebook ads, emails, LinkedIn ads, product descriptions, and more in just a couple of seconds. So over here, you can go and get a completely free trial for writesonic.com. You can click on start writing for free. Once you've signed up with your free account, you're going to log onto your dashboard that looks like this. You can go and use any one of these tools in your free trial. So if I come over to, for example, LinkedIn ads over here, and why I'm specifically focusing on LinkedIn in today's video is because LinkedIn is more focused on business-to-business communication. So a lot of these softwares on Partnerstack over here really fits the LinkedIn social media platform perfectly. So what we can do is our product, service, or name. We can come back to LinkedIn, copy our product, service, name, paste this here. A product description, we can just copy the description from Partnerstack, paste that over here. Targeted keywords, we just want to get some keywords from Vendesta over here. So this is e-commerce platform. So we can use that as a keyword. We can put your e-commerce platform, Shopify, online store, creator. We can go Shopify alternative. And these are all keywords that you want to go and rank for. How to build an online store, promotion. We can go and click on generate LinkedIn ads over here, and let's take a look at what this robot will then give us. So over here, it gives us a couple of options. We've firstly got build your e-commerce store in minutes. That would be your title. Vendasta is an end-to-end e-commerce platform for local experts who market, sell, build, fulfill, and deliver digital solutions to small and medium businesses. Build a beautiful online store in minutes. No coding necessary. I like this, honestly. Start your own e-commerce store with Vendesta, build an online store without any coding or design knowledge, and start selling in minutes. This one is honestly very simple. I like this as well. So let's go and leave this tab open for now. You'll see on the left over here, if you follow my mouse, let's go and open up LinkedIn ad headline so we can generate a headline for our tag. And let's go and open up ad descriptions as well. And we can go and paste the exact same information over here, and it will now give you done for you LinkedIn ad headlines. So over here, we can, for example, get your next e-commerce website made for you 100% free. So over here where it says add title, we can paste that as our ad title and click on confirm. And finally, we maybe want to get an ad description, so we can go and copy and paste the exact same information again. Over here, copy our description. Over here, and same thing with the keywords. Landing pages, e-commerce, and maybe ads. And we can click on generate LinkedIn ad description. We can copy this description over here. For example, this first one, come back to our overall LinkedIn ad. We can then click on edit over here, paste this here, click on confirm, and we can then save this LinkedIn ad over here. Next, you want to come over to business.linkedin.com/marketing solutions/ads. Click on create ad over here. Or you can just come over to Google and go and search LinkedIn ads. It will be the first link to this website. Click on create ad, and let's go and put our ad together. So for our account name, we can just use, for example, Millionaire Mindset. Enter an existing name or URL associated with your LinkedIn account. So here you just need to go and copy, for example, the link to your LinkedIn page, which I'm just going to go and paste over here. Click on agree and create account. And over here, it will automatically create your LinkedIn ads account. So over here, you can see my new campaign group is ready to go and be created. We can click on next. We can click on what we want to do. So for our particular goal over here, we want website conversions or sale conversions. For our target audience, we can come over to a website called trends.google.com and go and identify where, for example, the search term, how to create online store. We can go and search the search term over here, or we can go and search e-commerce. You can see there's a lot of interest in this topic at the moment. You want to go and identify the countries with the most interest. So over here we've got Malaysia, 100% search interest. That means a lot of people in Malaysia are searching up the topic e-commerce, which is a good country to go and target our LinkedIn ads to. We've got over here Ethiopia, 46, also very high. Pakistan, 46. India, not so high. That's Malaysia again. We've got United States, 26. Canada, 20. Canada, 19. So I recommend let's go and use Ethiopia, Pakistan, and Malaysia as our 3 countries. So we can come back to our LinkedIn ads over here. For our target audience, we can click on edit pen. We can delete the local country. Let's go type Pakistan. We can type here Malaysia. And then finally, one more, we can type in Ethiopia. So these are the top 3 countries that are trending in the e-commerce search term at the moment, meaning there's a lot of people obviously interested in this particular topic. So we want to go and catch that audience and promote our product to them. So over here, who is your target audience? We can leave this over here. We don't have to worry about that. We can go and create a simple image ad. To run this campaign, you must have a company or showcase page associated with this account. So over here, you can go and link your LinkedIn account. So I'm just going to come back to LinkedIn again, copy the link to my account and just go and paste this over here, just like that. We can then go and set a daily budget. So if you're going to go and spend, maybe start off small with $10 a day, your campaign will spend no more than $70 in a week. I recommend set a start and end date. So go and run this, I would say for 14 days, 2 weeks, which would end on the 28th of May, 15th of May being today. Over here, we can leave the bidding exactly as is. We then need to go and create a new conversion tracking over here. We need to have one in place. Name our thank you page. So for example, name, we can type here affiliate sales page. We can then define the key conversion. We want to select start trial over here, which is going to be our call to action on our ad. Select the value of the conversion. We can leave that. Clicks 30 days, 7 days. We can leave that as is. We can click on next step over here and we can click on next step again. And then we want to have the link to our website. So over here, we want to have a page load, and over here, you want to come back to Partnerstack. You can go and click on the unlock tool over here to get your affiliate link. So for example, if I come over to Instapage and I go and copy my affiliate link from Instapage over here, come back to my LinkedIn ads page, I can paste my link and finally click on create over here. And your ad is now ready to go and run. You're welcome to go and repeat this exact same process over here. If I come back to Right Sonic, let me just come back quickly. You can repeat this exact same process using Google Ads if you want to go and create your own landing pages, if you want to go and produce your own Quora answers, to go and answer questions on Quora, maybe people asking about e-commerce, which is the best platform to make an online store. You can use the Quora Answer AI robot over here to answer those questions for you and get people to read your answers and perhaps click on your affiliate links. You can also go and do this with Facebook ads, exact same thing. You can go and create articles, for example, for medium.com, where you can go and rank your articles on Google. So if I go and click on Facebook ads over here, you can go and do the same thing. Go and fill out your product service name, the occasion, promotion, and over here, it will generate for you, done for you Facebook ads. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to leave my entire Google Ads training playlist on the screen over here, which will help you run Google Ads, teach you how I set up my Google Ads for my specific products, e-commerce stores, drop servicing stores, and affiliate programs that I run. This will teach you everything that you need to know about Google Ads, how to optimize them, the best keywords to use, how to use specific keywords and rank for specific terms, how to target the right audiences that actually is looking for your type of product and not just promoting any product to a dead audience. So all of this information in this Google Ads training over here on YouTube. It's a completely free playlist. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. What I recommend is go and click on this free playlist over here and I'll see you over there.